Yes, guys, I know about kind of a quick short breakdown on my trade Usdjpy what I posted in my Telegram, link in the description. Starting off with smaller time frames, I realized that price was starting to, form a bearish structure. As we can see here, price was falling, lower lows, high lows, lower lows, high lows, lower lows, high lows. So then once we had this push, huge push to the downside here, from here to here, I realized this is a good sign that price is most likely to continue to the downside, since it is breaking past this Asian low here that we have, which is another confirmation. Whenever there's a sweep of a session, it normally means price will turn to retrace to a premium area where there's imbalances of fair value gaps and continue to trade to the downside. So then when you go on the 15-minute time frame, since I realized this was a close below the Asian low, I then came on the 5-minute time frame, use a Fibonacci to find a golden ratio area to enter for retracement. And as you can see, our entry price aligns with the 78.6 Fibonacci ratio, which is good. That's another confirmation. It shows that we're on the right track. And then I posted on my Telegram that once price breaks past this low, I'll enter in retracement to the downside. And with that analysis, let's see how price played out.